Ang sarap ng mga pagkain, Gael. Thank you so much for taking me here.
You're very much welcome. Mag-bill out na tayo?
Sure. How much, Gael?
2,700. Bakit mo nilalabas wallet mo?
Kasi I'll pay.
No! Bakit naman ikaw magbabayad?
Sorry, nasanay lang.
Wait, sorry. Nasanay?
Yes.
Pwede ka bang magkwento?
Kwento ko na lang yung naging date ko before this one.
Did you enjoy the food, Larissa?
Sobra. Thank you so much, Asher.
Bill out na ako ah. Here's the bill.
Huh?
Magbayad ka na.
Huh?
Sorry, alam kong first date natin to pero kasi ako na yung nagbuhat ng conversation natin. Kumbaga ang laking ambag na nun sa date natin. Kaya I think you should pay.
I'm sorry din, pero Correction, pero hindi naman tayo masyado nag-usap.
Wala ka bang pambayad? I thought you're rich. Fake lang ba yun? Are you a gold digger? Sorry, okay, just tell me if you're broke. Ako na lang magbabayad.
That's rude, Asher.
Nagtatanong lang ako.
Ako na.
Dami ko sinasabi. Don't worry. Next time ako naman magbabayad. What's so funny?
Sino may sabing i-date pa ulit kita?
Kapal ng mukha nun ah.
After that, he was so bitter to the point na nag-rant pa siya sa Twitter niya. Sabi niya he will never take me out on a date again. As if gusto ko ulit siya makadate. He was so rude.
What's his name?
Asher.
Asher moments.
So, let's split the bill na lang?
Look, I was the one who asked you out and I will ask you out again. Tsaka nag-effort ka to show up here and listen to all my kwentos. Enough na yun, Larissa. So, let me pay, okay?
Okay.
That's great.